Day 47 of being at home. It's Tuesday the 5th of May. Not April. May. So, how's your day been, Harry?
Good, excellent again.
Good, excellent again. So, let's talk about what you've been doing.
Bike ride for PE.
Bike ride for PE. Who was that with?
Mum, Rosie and me.
And where did you go?
By the ramps.
Okay.
By Tesco.
Okay. So you went around by Tesco and then to the ramps, did you? Yeah, what were you doing?
I was doing, on the ramps, I was doing like a downhill and then you gone uphill and I done a great big wheelie.
Cool.
Nearly the size of me on my bike.
Was that?
Actually bigger.
And what about Rosie? Was she was on her bike as well, was she?
Yeah.
Did she do any tricks?
No. She was just racing, running around.
Oh,
Racing
okay.
me when I was riding and Rosie was running. She took a shortcut.
And what were you looking out for on your bike ride?
Rainbows.
Did you see any?
Yeah. We saw a great big one on a garage.
Did you? Is it the biggest one you've seen yet? So, in terms of your school learning, did Go Explore? What was that today?
Ooh, when you put your hand in about it, you have to wipe it down like
Okay, and what kind of things did you find?
a pen and not a pen.
Not a pen?
That was what I was writing.
Oh, yeah. What did you find?
A peg.
A peg?
A yogurt
Yogurt
Pot.
pot? Yeah.
and a whisk
Okay.
and a chocolate.
I think you said Lego piece.
Yeah, Lego.
And when you felt them, were they easy to know what they were or difficult?
And a banana.
Okay.
A real banana. What you can squish and eat.
And were they easy to find out what they were
Yeah,
without even seeing them?
quite easy, but we didn't find all of them.
What was the most difficult one?
About the ring
The
that
ring, was
Rosie
it?
had.
Cool. So you've been doing some maths today? What was that?
Same
Same what?
maths. Dad hasn't marked it yet.
Oh, I haven't. What was that? Times tables?
Yes.
Cool.
4 and 3.
And then you had a challenge with Mum. What happened there?
Mum won.
Yep, she won today. You had another go. Mum won again. Yeah, angry eyes come out, didn't they? Reading.
Nessy.
Did Nessy? Yeah, you did Nessy. But what book did you read?
The Penny.
Giraffe Pelly and Me. So last time we spoke, you had 10 pages left. How many pages did you do today?
5.
So how many left?
5.
Whoa.
I'm an ugly monster.
Anything exciting happen in Giraffe Pelly and Me today?
No.
How do you think it's going to end?
With a big kaboom.
With a big kaboom. Well, you'll find out on the next go then. And somebody rang us up today.
Isabel.
No, you saw a video of Isabel on Facebook.
Miss K.
Miss King. Finding out how you're doing.
Yeah.
What
And
did,
what I've been doing.
yeah. And what did you say to her?
Maths, English.
So you were talking
Bike
about
ride.
all the things you've been doing today, and then just in general as well. Now, something happened to someone today, just before lunchtime.
Mum.
What happened?
Rosie slammed a chair on.
On her toe.
So I had to do all the cooking.
What did you make?
potatoes.
Jacket potato with what?
Cheese, ham and egg.
And beans.
And beans.
And you made that for me and Mum and you. With a little bit of guidance from Mum and Dad. But Mum couldn't move, could she?
Not Mum. Only Dad.
Well, Mum must have helped you a little bit, telling you what to do before I come down.
No.
No?
She told me how many minutes to put the potatoes in, but nothing.
Cool. So, scores.
No.
What?
Was DJ.
Oh yeah, what have we just done?
Tea party.
Pretend tea party with Rosie.
That was the DJ.
Spinning your plates. Yeah.
Oopsie. A big border followed me.
I think that must have been the last thing then.
No.
What?
And we done my video.
Well, we're doing your video now. So let's do scores. Out of 10.
Today.
So 1 is rubbish.
Out of today.
10 is brilliant. What's your score today?
9.
9? 9 out of 10. Why could it have been better today then?
I don't know.
Just feel like a 9?
Yeah. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.